Okay, hold on. Ugh. We gotta lift this to fix it. There we go. We have to close both of them at the same time. We tried. Ta-da! Hey guys, I'm Ray, aka It's My Ray Ray, and you're here with Refinery29, and I'm gonna show you what's in my beauty drawers. I know right now it looks really nice, clean, and white, but this is actually the reality of my filming space, and it actually looks pretty good right now. You are in my beauty room / office. This is where I film, this is where I edit, this is where I just play in makeup, and this is where I get massages. Oh yeah, so this is my makeup table. It's a mess. This is my fan that I always have to have when I'm filming because, whew, Lord, I'm sweating right now. I'm hot. I don't know what happened after I had a baby. My hormones all jacked up, but you know, I use my fan to help me out. My makeup / skincare routine since COVID has changed in a way where I wear minimal makeup because I'm trying to like keep from breaking out. Even though we've been in quarantine, I feel like I've been breaking out more. And I thought I would break out less since I don't have to wear much makeup because I'm staying in the house. And this is what I call my baby hair vase. Literally all of my edge control, my dirty little edge brushes. You don't want to look at those because they look disgusting. And then I have my lotion because I always look ashy when I film in my videos. My followers always attack me for it. So I have to make sure I have lotion right on my table so I can get these ashy hands looking nice and moisturized. I have 10 beauty drawers. So a little about my beauty drawers. They're a mess. They need to be organized. I decided to go with this setup because I have way too many products. Usually the makeup drawers are a bit smaller and I know how I am and I needed larger, taller drawers, and this is what I have right here, so it was perfect. All right, so this top drawer is what I like to call just the random drawer where it literally has like makeup sponges, brushes. So one thing I have in my makeup drawers that's kind of quirky and not really weird, but just I feel like the majority of people probably don't have is a makeup bib. You put it around your neck and it's supposed to like protect you from getting makeup all over your clothes. I have a larger one that comes all the way down here. This one's actually supposed to be for baby Zoe, who's my daughter. I give her her little makeup brushes when I'm doing my makeup so she can copy me and put like fake blush and highlighter on. I also have a lot of headbands in here, which I like to use to protect my baby hairs, you know, when I'm doing my makeup, because setting powder, bronzer, all that crap, highlighter, oh my gosh, all over the hair, and this literally saves me from all of that. After I use a product, usually when I open my drawer again, I can't find the product that I put in the drawer and I misplace it, and it's just like, it's pointless. This is my foundation and concealer drawer, and a little bit of like body shimmers and, you know, body foundation, all that good stuff. I'm gonna pull out some of my favorite foundations. One of them has to be the Hourglass Vanish foundation. This foundation, if you have crazy oily skin like me, it will last all day. It's matte, it doesn't look cakey, full coverage, it's the bomb. A product that I would recommend to people that they should always have in their beauty drawer would have to be, for me, concealer. Oh yeah. Juvia's Place Concealer. If you want to cover those dark circles and look flawless like you've been sleeping, this is the concealer you need. If I could describe my self-care routine, it would be very minimal, very quick, since I am a mom. It's probably like 15 minutes, so. And I'm okay with that, that's fine. These interesting things right here, they're child safety proof locks. This drawer is the one I really need to focus on soon and clean out. These are bronzers, blushes, highlighters, and some of this stuff is probably expired and it needs to go, so we're not gonna talk about that. One of my favorite palettes actually right now is Physicians Formula. It's beautiful. It has the blushes, the bronzers, the highlighters. As you can see, I kill these highlighters. Like, this is one of my favorite palettes right now. And also this bronzing palette, which is from Essence. It's the matte bronzing powder. This baby right here, if you want to look nice and bronzed, like you've been on vacation, but you've really been stuck in your home, binge watching all your favorite shows, this is the palette that you need. Then this drawer is all of my lashes, from affordable lashes to expensive lashes, dramatic, natural, lash glue, the tools, anything that has like that pretty butterfly, demi-wispy kind of look. That's my go-to look. These are my eyeshadow palettes. We have so many palettes. One of my favorite palettes and brands, this is the Natasha Denona Safari palette. Look at this, beautiful, the payoff, the colors. It is a pretty penny, but it's worth it. Now, on to the second row of draws. This is also another messy draw, but this has more like skincare, like we have the Supergoop SPF. I also have my favorite, some press-on nails. This is my little press-on nail draw. Before I film, I pop some press-ons on, like I did today. This is an amazing product. This is what I like to use to wash my makeup brushes. I do have skincare in my beauty draws, not that much, because I'm very like limited when it comes to that. I'm very like particular because I have acne. So I have a few good picks, but for the most part, it's just a bunch of makeup. The One Size Go Off makeup mist and the wipes. Listen, if you want your makeup to be removed in one swipe, this is what you need. It's no joke. This draw is also more press-ons. This is actually from a small Black-owned business. It's called She's Pressed. Look at these nails. These masks are from Bare Minerals. These are the green tea herbal eye mask. Helps with the blood flow, helps you look alive and awake. As far as my skincare routine, I feel like I take it more easy. I don't use too many products, but I do try to give my skin like that TLC. This is actually one of my favorite draws because I really love setting powders because my skin is so oily. One of my favorite setting powders is from the Mercier. And then my other all-time favorite setting powder, if you do not have this powder, is the Dermablend Professional Illuminating Banana Powder. This powder will have your makeup set all day, all night. You could even fall asleep in your makeup and it will probably still look like you just applied it. So we have to talk about this beauty right here. The most extra item in my beauty drawer would have to be this setting powder from Alamar, and it's really expensive. I think this cost about 150 bucks, and I still wonder why, till this day, did I spend that much on this? And there's so much left, and it's gonna stay that way until forever. I wanted to show you guys an oil that you need in your skincare arsenal. It's Squalane Oil. Oh my goodness, it's 100% natural. And it literally is like a miracle oil for your skin. I have like extremely oily skin to the point where you could like scrape it off and fry some French fries with it. You wouldn't believe it, but oil combats oil. No, I literally go like this. And I look crazy and my pillow gets all stained, but then for this drawer, which actually has so much crap in it because it's my hair drawer with my tools, brushes, blow dryers, headscarves. We even probably have like a wig in here. It's a mess. So the drawer actually broke because I stuffed so much crap in it. So we're gonna try to get to the bottom one. Not sure if it's gonna open. So the bottom drawer is even more makeup palettes, a bunch of stuff. So yeah, the options are endless. I actually do keep vitamins. Well, I wouldn't call it a vitamin, but I have CBD oil in my makeup drawers. I don't know why it's in there, but you know, I like to use it like right before I film just so I can be calm, relaxed, and you know, my anxiety can settle and I can do my thing. That is all in my beauty drawer. I mean, that's not all. I have a bunch of other stuff, but you'd be here all day watching this video. It'll probably be like 10 hours long and we're not gonna do that. So I just wanted to show you some of my favorite products that I use on a daily and that I go for all the time, anytime I'm working, filming a video, or going out. Yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching Refinery29. If you want to see more videos, make sure you click right here. And of course, you better subscribe. Click below.